Gin Boss welcomes you to the 17th day of Christmas. The jam of the day is Mandarin Spread. We are going to make a PEZ Cosmo because that's what these flavors are going to give us. The clementine spread is sweet, but it does have a nice marmalade bitterness to it. Hendrick's gin has wonderful flavors of rose, orange, and elderflower, white cranberry juice, and my favorite, Cointreau. Let's get started. So we will use the entire contents, 2 tablespoons of clementine spread. This one doesn't have too much extra fruit in it, so it will be easy to mix. I'm going to use about 1.5 ounces of the gin. Add approximately 1/2 ounce to 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, depending on how sweet you like it. And then 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Followed by a full ounce of the white cranberry. Let's shake it up. I haven't met too many people that don't like a Cosmo drink. It's so refreshing. It's a real crowd pleaser. So while I'm shaking it up, like the video and subscribe to Gin Boss. We've got lots more for you. Drink is so bright and tangy and sweet, you won't believe how close it tastes to a PEZ. Into a martini glass, I double strain it. Took a little extra effort, but it was worth it. Ice cold. Express a little lemon oil on top for the final touch. And all you have to do is enjoy. What do you think?
Wow, tastes like PEZ.